And welcome back to another model kit review. This is the Tyrannosaurus imagery skeleton from Bandai, and this is 1/32 scale. I never knew this existed until I saw it out there, and I went ahead and purchased this to do a review for you all. This was released in 2021, and I think it's worth covering what's on the box itself. So we'll look at to see what the side of the box looks like. And of course, this was released in the US by Bluefin. And on this side, we'll get a close-up here. And there's a lot going on here with this kit. You can see it. What they advertise here is the capturing a moment in life. So it talks about all the different features that this kit has, and lots of details here with this. So I can't wait to open this up. I have not opened it up just yet. This is kit number 618076, and you can find this in my Amazon store. I put a link down below. And of course, some of the features of this kit you can see there. Very cool there. Let me get a little closer so you can see the features of the kit there in Japanese and in English. And right there. Let's open this up. Open this up. Lots of dark brown plastic in here. I'll take these out and we'll get a closer look. So two things were located in the bottom there. Obviously the instructions for this kit, and it looks like an information pamphlet. We'll look at this one here first. And the article here talks about defining dinosaurs, birds are dinosaurs, transitions and restoration images. Wow, a lot of information here found in that. Of course, the Fossil Speaks to Us article here. Again, unique features of the imaginary skeleton, the Tyrannosaurus form. Koyoshi Tomita, which he represents the Carnivorous Reptile Research Institute. So this is a wealth of information here. Very nice, impressive. And we'll look at the instructions next. And typical Bandai, it opens up just like the other Bandai kits that I've been familiar with, especially the Star Wars ones, right? So this is our master tree here, showing you all the parts you received with this kit. So on the lower left there, looks like we start assembling the head, and then to the right we do the neck, torso, chest, and hands. And we continue on with those all the way over to the lumbar tail here in the center. And we mount it onto the stand over here on the right. Continuing on with that. And lastly, looks like a little bit of a painting guide, color guide for this. Very nice. Let's look at the parts. Here's the first sprue, which comprises of, looks like the head of the Tyrannosaurus. And very detailed there. Let's look a little closer. And detail is superb here. Very nice. And if you look there, the detail is actually on both sides. And this represents the ribs. Very nice. There's a close-up of the ribs. And they're all pretty much the same. Flip it over. There's the other side. We have more vertebrae here. Very nice. Once again, the detail is meticulous. Very nice. Lots of great engineering has gone into this kit. And sprue tree C here, which gives us some of the bones of the legs and arms. Let's get a close-up view. And there you have that. Right there. Bones there. Very nice there. Sprue tree D, and this looks like part of the vertebrae and the pelvis. Let's get a close-up view. And that's what that looks like there. Very nice. Very detailed. And the back side, you can see where everything glues together here. And they give us a nice display stand for T-Rex. Let's get a closer view. And you can see there deep trenches of the feet imprints into the mud. Very cool. Of course, a lot of the crustaceans, plant life from back then. Very nice. And lastly, they give us clear parts for the stand. Very nice. And there you have it. That was a review of the 1/32 scale Tyrannosaurus by Bandai. And this definitely is not a toy. It's a very nice representation of the skeleton from way back when, before we were on this earth. So that's why they call this the imaginary skeleton. So if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and look for me to build this next on my channel here very soon. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.